Nice, everybody. Some people calling us by our nicknames. This is my wife, Megan, aka Bones.
And this is my husband, Mikael, aka Fofo.
And I think some of you know that. So thank you very much for following us. And we're very, very happy to be here.
Yes. Tama ba pag good morning in Cebuano, it's maayong buntag?
Yes.
Okay. Well, maayong buntag sa inyo. And thank you so much for having us. We're really happy to be here at this event. And we've been here in J Park for the past couple of days, just relaxing before this event. So thank you, J Park, for taking such
going
good
down
care
the
of
slides.
us. Going down the slides, so I suggest for the newlywed bride and groom to test your love for each other. Kailangan mag-slides kayo. Masaya siya, in fairness.
I love that. You know what? A lot of us are avid followers, and I think one video that you had blew up. It was when you were practicing your smile for your wedding day. You know, very demure. And then on your actual wedding day, parang nakita talaga the authentic personalities coming out. And we love you guys for that.
Medyo sumobra sa happiness ang asawa ko dun sa wedding. But
so
true
sa
enough.
happiness, nakatulog.
Alam nyo na.
So I want to ask about your wedding because as we know, we're here at the Brides at Triton Wedding Expo. How was that like? Can you give us a bit of the magic and the story of how your wedding was like?
Well, it felt like the wedding was like a grand get-together and a grand party for us and for all our loved ones. So if you didn't know or you don't know anything about our wedding, we had 120 guests and that really consisted of mostly Mikael's family kasi ang laki ng pamilya niya. Mga 70% sa kanya yon, and then 30% was my family and friends also. So it was a very tight-knit group and it just felt so intimate and so nice being able to celebrate that love with people that you love and care about.
I guess a quick addition to what Bonizi and Megan just shared. Because it was all family in the wedding, the emotions were very easily flowing out. So very overwhelming siya. But at the same time, yun yung tumatak sa akin. That's what I remember so much. That the emotions were so overwhelming. Wherever I look, were people I love. My brother, my siblings, my tita, my titos, my friends who I grew up with. So wherever you see, parang gusto mo na umiyak. So it was really, really overwhelming. And yun yung tumatatak sa akin when I think about that day.
Yeah, it was nice kasi we made sure na everyone that was there were people that we would be sad kung wala sila.
Right. So it was really a special moment between everybody. Do you remember the theme of your wedding?
Well, it's funny kasi wala kaming specific theme. Our stylist, si Gideon, I just told him, okay, these are the colors that I like. We both like coffee, we like a rustic vibe. Tapos ikaw nang bahala. And yun.
Yeah, and just to share with everyone how we ended with that. I think the theme at the end of the day was may pagka-rustic siya.
Yes.
Rustic, we were
Homey
in...
vibes.
Yeah, and then we were in a field
Yeah, we were in a...
surrounded by huge trees. So may pagka-rustic yung vibe niya. But how we ended up there was that we told all of our suppliers and our event stylists that just give us 2 choices all the time. And then we'll pick our favorite.
Yeah, ayaw namin masyadong maraming choices so that we wouldn't have a hard time deciding. Because when there's too many choices, I feel like you kind of veer away from what you initially wanted. And then nagugulahan ka na. And that's when parang doon nag-aaway. Walang away dito, walang away dito.
Sensitive
2
topic.
choices only.
I love that so you guys don't get overwhelmed. Parang, you know, straight to the point and you trust the people who made your wedding into a reality, diba?
Yes, and also they made us feel, our suppliers made us feel na you can trust us, we're great at what we do, and we want to make you feel comfortable on this day. We want you to be able to relax, so we'll give you the best.
Right? And